This is Project 1 of CS50's web programming with Python and JavaScript, and here's the result. Project 1 was about designing a Wikipedia-like online encyclopedia, where we need to make pages and functions like entry page, index page, search function, creating a new page, editing existing page, sending random entry page, and Markdown to HTML conversion. So let's open the encyclopedia index page. Open the terminal and type Python manage.py runserver and go to the link. And you can see the index page. We can see the list of all pages on encyclopedia, and you can click one to be taken directly to that entry page. On the entry page, you can see the content of the Django. The URL is /wiki/Django. When you put incorrect title, for example, like Clocker108, which does not exist, you can see the 404 error page. When you put correct, like Python, which is existing, it loads successfully. Meanwhile, its content is actually original, made like this. As you can see on the website, original Markdown content is automatically converted into HTML automatically. You can also search to find the page you want. For example, let's go to get page. Enter. And as you can see, it matched the name of entry, so the user was redirected to that entry's page automatically. If there's no matching, instead, it displays all entries that have the query you entered as a substring. For example, if you type Jan, you can see the Django is appearing in the search result, and you can click it to see the content. If there's no content you want, you can create your own page. Click Create New Page in the sidebar, and you can type your new content. Title here, and there you can write the content. After you wrote, click Save below. And you can see new content is here. If you try to make new page, which is already there, for example, like Python again, and if you try to save it, you can see the error message appears. You can edit, of course. You go to the content and you can see the edit button. Click edit and you can now edit and click submit below. Then it's saved. And one more thing. Clicking random page in the sidebar takes you to random encyclopedia entry. This is my Project 1 result. Thank you for watching.